Next, we will have some more user insight with Pietro Masai, who will tell us why Allplan 2025 is a must-have for architects. Pietro is an architect and a BIM manager, and he has been speaking with Janet.
I'm delighted to introduce our next speaker, Pietro Masai, a distinguished expert in building information modeling. With a rich background in integrating BIM technologies for architectural preservation and urban development, Pietro has worked on landmark projects, including the Gage Singh II Research Center in India. He currently runs a renowned architectural studio in Florence, where he focuses on BIM consulting and education. Pietro, it's a pleasure to have you with us today. Thank you for joining our Allplan 2025 launch event as a passionate and experienced Allplan user. Pietro, before we dive into the details, could you share a bit about your journey in architecture and how your experience with Allplan evolved over the years?
Of course, I'm very happy and I thank you all to be here. It's a pleasure for me to be here, and I would like just to tell you a couple of things to let you know who I am. I'm an architect, and I love, since when I was a boy, to integrate different technologies. And in this moment, my focus is on BIM technologies and laser scanning point cloud technologies. So I worked, as you said, in India, in UK, and in Italy all over the country. And Allplan followed me all over. It was, I don't know how to say, a milestone of all my work since 2009 till now.
You've been involved in many design projects over the years. Could you highlight some of the key projects where Allplan has played a critical role and how it has contributed to the success of these projects?
For sure. I have been involved in urban projects of design, of renovation, and for example, historical heritage renovation, as you said, like in India or in UK, new plots of that we had to renew. One of the most important thing that Allplan gave me the chance to do was to integrate for example, the GIS data and the point cloud all together. We have instruments inside Allplan like GIS connector and the plugin with Scalypso. And these two integrated makes me work faster and have a more precise design in all the phases of the project, in all the steps of the project. And it gave me the possibility to work on my own and in group easily.
As you already mentioned, the GIS connector and Scalypso integration are key to an efficient workflow. Can you elaborate on how these features contribute to the creation of more sustainable designs, which is such an important aspect in today's architecture?
For sure. Thank you for your question. It is important to integrate these two tools that we have thanks to Allplan, which is GIS connector and Scalypso, the plugin that connects Allplan to Scalypso, because we have the different scales of the project that can work together. It allows me to manage large point cloud data inside the BIM environment that is connected with the GIS connector to all the surrounding element. So this is very important to avoid waste of time and wastage on site. This is very important because it makes me design better.
You've had a chance to explore the new features of Allplan 2025. What are you most excited about, and how do you see it enhancing your work in the future?
I think one of the most important things is that Allplan is helping the designers, the surveyors, is helping us in avoiding wasting time. And this is the most important thing. And I am very happy that we will have, for example, AI-driven visualization inside the new Allplan that can help us to reduce manual tasks. That this is possible that Allplan can do on its own. And it avoids to make repetitive tasks. So we can think about designing all the time, about the real target of our work.
Grazie mille, Pietro, for sharing your valuable insights and experiences with us today. It's been a pleasure that you've been with us, and we look forward to seeing how you will continue to innovate with Allplan. Take care, and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Janet and Pietro. That was great to hear about your experience with Allplan, how it plays a critical role and contributes to the success of your projects, and especially some of the features you like about Allplan and about Allplan 2025.